Now, since this device came out in 2021, it has been causing a lot of stir in the Android market with high-end features such as 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. It has been compared to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Not only that, but it has a 120 Hz screen refresh rate and a 108 megapixel camera, just like on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. All right, so are you getting a high-end phone, high-end experience for a budget price? This thing costs less than $300. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unbox this thing. I wanna take you on that journey with me. So let's waste no more time and do that right now. So this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro released in 2021. So let's take this thing right off. Pretty decent box, I must say. Designed by Redmi, Xiaomi company. And look at this device. It has 108 megapixel quad camera. It also has 120 Hz refresh rate, AMOLED screen, 6.67 inch, and also dual speakers. Qualcomm Snapdragon. It has a 33 watt fast charging charger. And look at that, a 5020 milliamp battery. This is all the power you need for a device like this. Let's go ahead and lift this out the box. Wow, look at this camera arrangement. It is so beautiful to look at. Look at that. Premium, ultra, quad camera. I can't wait to peel this thing off, but just have a look at this decent device. It's awesome, isn't it? It's lightweight, it's not too heavy, and it fits great in the palm of my hand. Let's go right ahead and peel this off. It is so satisfying just to be able to peel this thing as the phone is revealed. Look at that. It's beautiful. Pretty decent. Look at that. Look at how beautiful this thing is. I'm just filming this in the woods because it's one of my favorite places to relax. But look at this device. This is the top of it. As you can see, here's the 3.5mm headphone jack. There is one of the dual speakers in the middle there. There is one mic at the top, and as you can see on the right, the last one on the right, that is the infrared blaster. Yes, it does come with an infrared blaster. I love to see these features on the phone. On this side, there is the volume rocker here, volume up, volume down. This is the power key right here. And not only that, but this is also a fingerprint sensor right here. On this side, you have the C-type charging port. Also on the left there is another mic, and on the right that's another dual speaker, one of the dual speakers right there. Alright, on this side you have the SIM port slot as well as where you can put your SD card. I'm just loving this Onyx color. It's so beautiful. It fits my hand perfectly, and as you can see at the front, there's the front facing camera. But I just can't get enough of this rear camera design. It's just beautiful. So this is what it looks like after the phone is booted up. It's pretty fast. Pretty decent app drawer. Seemed like it came with a lot of pre-installed apps. You have YouTube pre-installed, YouTube Music installed as well. You have Netflix, quite a bit of Google apps, games. So this is the notification area. I like the layout. This area kind of remind me of the Apple device. And also it comes with Dolby Atmos. It has hotspot, may share floating windows. The design of this whole thing is kind of different from what I've seen on the regular or the other Android device, for example the Samsung Galaxy. It's quite different. Even this section where you have the recent apps here, I'm not seeing these options like cleaner, security scan, deep clean, etc. on my Samsung Galaxy. So we're into the about phone section. As you can see the phone name there, and 21.9 gigabytes used from the 128 gigabytes. Of course we're using Android 11, and if we go into all specs you get more information here. 6 gigabytes of RAM. And finally what we're gonna browse today is just the camera setup. As you can see the normal tabs at the bottom there and some at the top, HDR mode, AI mode. And if you go into the settings right across here, then there are quite a bit of things that you can adjust as well to get the best photo experience and video experience out of this phone. Alright, so that's it for now. This has been another unboxing. Definitely going to dig deeper into this thing and get more familiar with it so I can come back and give you a full review in terms of its performance and everything else. Alright, thanks for watching this unboxing. I hope you like it. Just give it a nice like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your support. I'm out.